Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 21 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we imported our model to Twinmotion from Revit to Twinmotion using DataSmith, and we have the plugin for that under twinmotion.com, so make sure to check that out. And then now we're gonna add in some lights, so I'm gonna add this light right here, and we want to make sure that we could check it out. Let's change the speed to number 4 at least. Okay, and then here we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so we're gonna add in 6 of that. And then the color, we're gonna change it a bit, and then the intensity, let's put it to 5. So now hold on shift, and then let's add in every 1 meter 6 of them. So that's perfect right there. We were able to add it instantly, and then hold on shift again, put it down so that we could just copy everything else we don't need to worry about. And then we just need to put it to the proper location, and then we're gonna be good. And then here, let's add in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on shift, every 1 meter 5 of them added. But it looks like this one is different because we put it in right here. So what we're gonna do is undo that. We're gonna add this one right here, and then just manually add them. It looks like it's not the 1 meter that we did before, so just to be sure, I could just add it manually to the location. Now it looks like this one is 1 meter, around 1 meter. Okay, so it's added there. And then let's add here, hold on shift, and then add it here as well, and then add here. And we could just add this 3 right here, press escape first, add this 3, hold on shift, and then add. Okay, so we're gonna leave it like that. I think that's good enough. We could check the way that looks, and it's well lit, so we're good with all of those. We want to make sure that its intensity is still 5, and then here compared to this one, same thing. It's subtle here, but there's a lot more here. Okay, so now we could put a neon light here. I'm gonna make the intensity 5, length light only up to here, and then temperature, something like that. So it's just lighting up the number. Okay, maybe we could just put in, let's see how that one looks like. If it's too much for the light, let's put it at 3 or 2. I think 2 is good enough. Okay, and then now this is done. What we can do now is go to media, create images now. So what I want to do is take an image here like this, click here, first image, go to camera, and then check in the focal length. You want to make sure that this is good enough like that. Refresh, and then we could add in one more, same thing, add here, somewhere slanted like that, and then here and then add here, and then maybe one here, focal length, change here. I'm going to refresh here, change the focal length again, and then here let's go to environment and let's change the weather or the season. Okay, so let's refresh this, and then we could duplicate this. Duplicate with the snow and refresh it like that. And then let's rename this 5. And then save this. And then after this, we're going to create videos. So quit media mode, and then here let's try and create this one right here. I'm just going to go in front of this here. So create, refresh here, seven, click here, add, and then add, Let's leave it at 10. Click this one, going down. That's 5. Going out, 4. Going to the side, 6. Going forward, another 4. I'm doing it on the side again. Let's make it 5. Going out now. Six. Going out again. 6. And then here, going out again, 6. Then go out more, make it 10 now. Because what we can do is a change of weather. Refresh it. Click it here. Duplicate this. Rename. Show real. And then here, shorts. And then change this one. And then this one is 700. Save this. And then once we save it, we can export all of this. What I usually do is export video first. You can export the image and the video, but you know it will take time, right? So for me, I do video first and then image, and then once you selected everything, just click start export and then save it to the location that you want. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.